Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an ambitious business owner and want to understand the basics of small business accounting, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the accounting essentials for entrepreneurs, from bookkeeping systems to HMRC basics, so that you can feel more confident with your numbers. Whether you're a sole trader or running a limited company, these are the foundations every owner needs. If you're new here, then hi, I'm Antonia, a licensed accountant and small business owner myself. I've helped so many new business owners understand how to stay organised in the first year and when their first deadlines are going to be, so that they can build good financial habits and focus on what they went into business for. I'm passionate about making accounting for beginners as simple and as stress-free as possible, so you can get clarity, stay compliant and focus on growing. Accounting isn't just about filing tax returns, it's about understanding the story your numbers are telling you. With good records, you know if your business is profitable, so you can make smarter decisions and you avoid costly surprises. And that's why bookkeeping for small businesses is so important. If you get the basics right, everything else from tax returns to growth planning becomes easier. The heart of small business accounting is bookkeeping, and bookkeeping means explaining money coming in and money going out. And here are the essentials. Choose a system like cloud software such as Xero, QuickBooks or FreeAgent, which you can actually get for free with a Metal account. Then record income and expenses regularly, weekly or monthly, just not once a year. And separate business and personal. Always use a dedicated business bank account. Make sure you keep digital records. HMRC now encourages digital bookkeeping through Making Tax Digital. And good bookkeeping gives you real-time information to make decisions and keeps you compliant with HMRC. Now let's talk about financial reports. Try not to fall asleep. Even if you have an accountant, you should understand the 3 core reports. 1, the profit and loss. This shows income, costs and profit. 2, your balance sheet, and this shows assets, liabilities and equity. Basically what your business owns and what it owes. And then 3, the cash flow statement, which tracks actual money in and out, which is vital for spotting cash crunches. This is part of the essentials for entrepreneurs. Knowing what these reports mean gives you control and confidence. One of the biggest small business finance tips that I can give you is to make sure you're claiming all the allowable expenses that you're entitled to. Things like travel, office costs, professional fees, even a portion of home office expenses. On the compliance side, HMRC requirements mean that you need to file a self-assessment if you're a sole trader, or if you're a limited company, file statutory accounts and corporation tax returns, and register and submit VAT returns if you pass the VAT threshold, which is £90,000. Staying on top of these saves penalties and avoids potential interest charges. Let me give you 3 simple small business finance tips that you can start using today. 1. Schedule a monthly finance day. Make this work with your energy. If you're an early riser, try the morning and time box it so you know that you have a finish line. Use the time to reconcile bank statements, review sales and purchase invoices, and check your P&L for your profit level and compare it against last month and last year. Use digital tools to get everything you can automated and simple. Connect your bank feed to bookkeeping software and use apps to scan receipts. And build a tax reserve. Set aside a percentage of every invoice so you're never caught short. These aren't complicated, but they're the habits that ambitious business owners use to keep their finances under control. Even if you're comfortable with the basics, a professional accountant can give huge value. They'll keep you compliant, highlight tax savings, and give strategic advice. Think of it as buying back your time and reducing stress, but engage them at the right time. You don't need an accountant until you have something to report. So think trading for a few months or engage a month or 2 before your year end. So today we've covered how to master your accounting basics for small businesses, which are set up solid bookkeeping routines, understand your reports, know your HMRC basics, and then apply these small business finance tips consistently. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more accounting essentials for entrepreneurs. Drop a comment if you have any questions or if you'd like me to cover a subject in the future. Thanks for watching, I'm Antonia and I'll see you next time.